atomizer technology is a more evolved fat processing system that's closed loop, and it gives the physician the ability to resize fat grafts for use in different anatomical areas.
The evolution of fat transfer involves several challenges, one of which is retention of the graft. So one of the big problems and frustration has been a lot of the graft takes, or it's unpredictable. Sometimes it doesn't. So over the years, defining factors, research-based, that improve graft viability and retention, and to improve predictability of results, particularly in areas close to the surface. And I think that's been a challenge that we're really excited about the future with the atomizer to improve that issue.
One of the challenges with fat transfer is having a consistent device that's able to do multiple things. What's unique about what we do is we bring a new mechanism of action, which is cutting the fat tissue. And whenever we cut this fat tissue, we're able to precisely resize that fat tissue. And when we're able to get to that point of processing, it really makes adipose tissue the ideal dermal filler. It's all natural, it comes from the patient, and it has long-lasting rejuvenative benefits.
The atomizer solves the problem of graft visibility because it allows us to precisely cut different particle size for various levels in the tissues. The atomizer also solves the problem of unpredictable graft retention by allowing us to supercharge grafts with rejuvenative cells, which has been shown and proven in research studies to increase viability of those cells.
Really what the atomizer technology does is it gives the surgeon the ability to customize and resize fat injectates for use in different anatomical regions, from deep tissue layers on out to the skin for rejuvenation benefits. It's a very versatile system that is affordable, it's a closed system, and it does multiple things and has multiple utilities.
Finally, the atomizer solves the problem of rejuvenating the surrounding tissues, because now with those rejuvenative cells added to our grafts, we can actually enhance and improve the health of the surrounding tissues and the skin by the various growth factors and cytokines produced by these rejuvenative cells and their effect on the surrounding environment.
The ideal practitioner is going to be the aesthetic practitioner. That would be the plastic and reconstructive surgeon, facial plastic surgeons. What's unique about this is this doesn't have to just be done in the operating room. This is a simple outpatient procedure that can be done in an office in 1 hour. So whenever we're processing the fat, compared to other processing technologies, we're reducing the amount of blunt force pressure that's placed on that adipose tissue. What we're doing is with these cutting blades, we're really displacing that fat across a larger surface. Each cutting port has 32 razor sharp cutting blades. So we're able to process fat in a simplified method in 3 to 5 passes to be able to make multiple sizes of fat. By having less passaging and not over-processing the fat, we have a much healthier stromal population and a much healthier fat graft for tissue engraftment.
The longer lasting nature and potential of rejuvenative fat grafting is extremely exciting to patients. They love the fact that it's their own cells. They love the fact that the results can be longer lasting. And I also think they like the more global or comprehensive effects that rejuvenative cells and fat can do. And now that we can offer this in an office-based system at an affordable price for patients, it answers many of the goals that patients come in to see us about. And I think it's going to be the wave of the future in rejuvenative aesthetic procedures.
And when we can bring consistency to the procedure, we can bring reproducibility and ultimately better patient outcomes and results.